left your perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the
Alright, today we are looking at something built to survive where others don't. The HOTWAV R10 Pro, a rugged tablet that's tough on the outside but smooth where it matters, ready for work, play, and everything in between. Okay, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I still check our playlist, put it on low in the car, and your jacket's on the hanger right where you left it in March. Every night I'm on my phone like maybe you'll text me again, but all I get are reminders that we're better off as friends. Yeah, got your toothbrush sitting in the bathroom, got your slippers waiting by the bed. Every little thing you left here, ever since you left, you've been living rent free in my head. Keep telling everyone I'm trying to move forward, but it's so easy getting stuck in the past. Every little thing you left here, sitting where you left it last. Miss your
Designed to endure, the HOTWAV R10 Pro comes with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certifications. Drops, dust, water, it handles them all. The reinforced corners, textured back, and symmetrical design offer durability without sacrificing style. Weighing around 880 grams, it feels solid but manageable. The rear camera module blends seamlessly, keeping the design professional. Whether on a campsite or outdoors, this tablet is made to last. A 10.1-inch HD Plus display with an 800 by 1280 resolution, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and very high peak brightness delivers clear, vibrant visuals. Text stays sharp, colors appear natural, and visibility remains strong even under sunlight. Whether it's reading, video playback, or light gaming, the screen offers a balanced and immersive experience. For a rugged tablet, this display stands out with its clarity and responsiveness. Powered by the Unisoc T606 octa-core chipset, the HOTWAV R10 Pro delivers smooth performance for multitasking, browsing, and daily applications. It balances efficiency and power, keeping the system responsive without overheating or draining the battery quickly. From handling documents to streaming and running essential apps, performance stays consistent even during extended use. A reliable processor ensures that this rugged tablet is more than just tough, it's capable. Okay, how about the sound performance? Stereo speakers deliver clear, balanced sound suited for both indoor and outdoor use. Audio remains crisp, whether streaming videos, listening to music, or handling calls. The speaker placement enhances the overall experience, making media consumption enjoyable.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary when she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood go.
Equipped with a 10,800 mAh battery, the HOTWAV R10 Pro supports days of active use and up to 1000 hours of standby time. Reverse charging allows it to power other devices when needed. Without the need for frequent recharging, this tablet is ideal for multiple days of use. Face unlock is fast and reliable. Setup is simple and recognition works seamlessly in various conditions. It's truly a convenient way to access the device quickly, especially in work environments where efficiency and ease matter. The HOTWAV R10 Pro features a 13 megapixel rear camera. It captures detailed images with accurate colors and handles low light scenarios reasonably well. On the front, a 5 megapixel camera is ideal for video calls and casual selfies. Electronic image stabilization ensures smoother videos. For documentation, site photos, or everyday snapshots, this camera setup offers more than expected from a rugged tablet.
You left your perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the air. Got your face stuck in the mirror and I keep finding your hair. Got a big box in my closet with the fall pictures we took. Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you so hungover, sunlight painted stripes on your body. I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can have an arm and a leg, just a minute more of your time.
Okay, let's shift from hardware to software. The HOTWAV R10 Pro runs on Android 14, offering a clean, modern interface with smooth navigation. RAM expansion enhances multitasking, keeping apps running efficiently. Widevine L1 certification ensures HD streaming on platforms like Netflix and YouTube. Practical software meets rugged hardware, delivering a reliable experience whether for work or entertainment. Well, that's all about the HOTWAV R10 Pro. It actually combines rugged durability with practical features. A clear display, reliable cameras, long-lasting battery, and modern software make it a dependable tool for challenging environments. It's more than just tough, it's built to perform. I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check the link for more details. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.